originally wanted to use my camera, but y'all are gonna take this iPhone quality, okay? So okay, so I look terrible, but we're here. Right now we're just like moving things in right now, so the place is looking like a mess. Of course, I'm gonna do like a more in detail tour for y'all, so yeah, please stay tuned for that. Oh my gosh, okay, hi. Let me gather myself, hold on. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell, I'm really excited. So I officially moved in, well, me and my husband officially moved in into our first apartment. I moved in all of my stuff already. Listen, the place is a mess. Don't judge it, we just moved in. We need like time to get everything together. This place won't be like fully ready until like maybe next month, because like we have a lot plan, but I'm just gonna show y'all what I have going on right now. And I went to Daiso and I bought a lot of stuff, and I didn't vlog that because I'm not gonna be able to focus like shopping and vlogging at the same time. It's just something that I can't do. Let me just start by showing y'all what the doorway is looking like, because she a mess. So this is what the entrance is looking like. There are a lot of shoes here. Okay, yeah. That's not what we think it is. Okay, yeah, continue. Yeah, so this is the Gangcon. This is the entrance, basically. This is like the little mailbox area. So like when you come in, there's like a little slot. It's not big, so if I have like big packages and stuff, I would have to be here to like collect my big packages. I already showed y'all the shoe closet. There's still some space. I was trying to save some for my husband, but I realized that I had a lot more shoes. In here, I don't know, this space right here, we're planning on keeping like a vacuum cleaner, like mops, brooms, shit like that, like cleaning stuff in here. To the left is the bathroom. Why is it looking so blue? Okay, I think this is better. So yeah, right here we're planning on putting the washing machine here, and I mean we can't put it anywhere else because there is this thing. This is what you attach. There's a hose that is supposed to come with the washing machine, and we should attach it to this. This is the sink area. I have like all of my face stuff, shaving stuff, I don't know, just stuff on this side. And my husband don't use much, so this is just his face soap. Wait, I didn't shut the door. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, this is just like toothbrush, toothpaste. This is our soap. Under here, oh shit. Y'all, the carpet came. No, not the carpet, the bed. The mattress, I mean. Yeah, so as I was saying, under here I'm just keeping like some laundry stuff. This is the toilet area. We have the heated toilet, so yeah, over here we have 2 rolls of tissues. We have some extra ones up there, and we have extra space for whatever. I'm gonna put like tampons, pads, wet wipes, shit like that. Well, we don't need wet wipes because you can basically wash your ass with this function right here. When you flush this toilet, water is gonna come out from here, so you can wash your hands here and dry it here. If you don't want to, you can just wash your hands here and dry it here. So this is the shower room. This is the light for the shower and tub and whatever. This is like the, when we use the hot water, you know, there's gonna be like a lot of steam and stuff. So that air vent thingy majiggy right there, this controls it, and it basically extracts all the steam and stuff. So I have like a little chair thingy there that I can use to sit down. There's a little bowl over there that I can use to scoop out water if I decide to use the tub. We have a lot of storage to put more stuff, shampoos, conditioners, I don't know, shaving stuff, other stuff like I said before. And there's a little window over there as well. This is the very messy kitchen area. We just got our mattress. These are like chairs and tables that we're gonna put outside on the balcony. This is what I'm gonna be using to like finish designing the balcony. So we bought 2 packs of these, but the lighter color, the lightest color, and he went back because we needed 1 more pack and he accidentally bought the darkest color. So yeah, we're gonna have to go back to IKEA to return, well, to exchange this. So this is our table right now. We actually have 2 of them, but we only built 1. This whole table, it's called like the end click. This whole thing is like $5,000, so about 40 something US dollars. Yeah, so we can put more stuff under here. Over there we got extra stuff over here. I'm in love with this kitchen area, you guys. This is the window. You're seeing my reflection because it's nighttime, but yeah, that's basically what outside is looking like. Yeah, so I have like a 3-burner stove. This is a fish cooker. Inside here I'm storing like pots. In here I'm storing plates that I need to organize. I just bought like a little organizer thingy. This is the bedroom. And our bedroom, like the lights that we bought, they each come with a remote, so I can use a remote to turn it on. I can make it a lot brighter. I can make it go darker. This is our bed right now. I chose this one because we need a lot, like we need as much storage as possible, but I find myself putting things over on this side, so maybe in the future we will buy like not tables, but like so yeah, right now we're just using our futon. Why did I say futon like that? Futon, yeah. We're using our futon right now because we didn't have our bed, but we just got our bed. I just turned off that light. Oh my gosh. So yeah, over here I'm gonna put my vanity right here, and I bought a vanity from IKEA. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my gosh. I have some terrible curtains here, but don't pay that no mind. I'm gonna show y'all the balcony right now. So yeah, these are what we bought from IKEA. These are the lightest colors. But we need 1 more pack. We have a good amount of space actually. This is what we're gonna use. I know this looks terrible, don't judge me, but yeah, I finally got a huge mirror, you guys. I got this from IKEA as well. I'm really happy about this. So we still have the shutters down because we didn't have any curtains, but I recently bought some. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to fit everything inside here, and then in the future we can probably put like a couch on this side, and then like one of those fake plants, and maybe like a TV here. I don't know yet. These are my Alex drawers that my husband put together for me from IKEA.
How is it? Remy doing?
So I'm gonna put all of my stuff in here, and the reason why I don't have it set up yet is because we don't have any carpet. So this flooring that the company installed is like, I don't know, I think this is like some sticker type shit, As y'all can see, I can easily press into it, and when my husband was making the desk, it kind of chipped. So yeah, we definitely need like some good carpets. And I bought white carpets, y'all. So on this side of the bed, we have like the drawers and stuff over here, and one over here, and I just have some blankets in there. And this is my little plant that's dying. Okay, so if y'all don't know, Daiso is a store here in Japan that sells things for like 110 yen, because things raised. Before it was 108 yen, now it's 110. But sometimes, like any other dollar stores, you can find things for like 500 yen, 600 yen, you know, stuff like that. I bought some really big mugs. Shit, I forgot to buy rice bowls. Oh, next time. So yeah, we can put like stew in this. And I bought some bowls that we can probably use to eat cornflakes out of, cereal, whatever you call it. I have this gray mat. I'm eventually gonna use this for like the kitchen mat. There's so many colors going on. It's fine. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Yeah. So these two trays. I told my husband that I wanted us to get like maybe a black one. He said no, get the dark brown one. I should have just got the black one because the dark brown is really ugly. I got this to hang like underwears and socks and stuff. I got these clothes hangers. I only got one mitten. I got some cheap ass forks. 3 packs of curtain clips. They look like this. Magic cloth. Looks like this. I bought this a long time ago, but I don't think I'll be using it. I don't know right now. More clothes, pins, whatever. These are some microfiber dust cloths for like cleaning and stuff. They were $1, but I got 3. And kitchen towel and 2 spoons, because right now it's just both of us and we can't invite nobody over right now. I'm very sorry. I got this little bin that I'm gonna put in the toilet room, bathroom. I don't know, put pads and shit in there. I bought this little, this says it's a makeup bag and it was 300 yen. But I'm gonna use this for like my toiletries bag. I'm gonna put tampons, pads, you know, stuff like that in there. Gonna put these in there. So these are like, okay, these are dog waste bags, but I'm gonna use these for the garbage bin that I'm gonna put in the bathroom. So the extras that I have, I'm just gonna put them like in here. Makes sense? Yeah. Expandable drain net. And there's 40 per pack. This is just a paper towel holder. And these are like frying pan racks, but I'm gonna use these to, okay, I'm gonna use one to organize my frying pan, and I'm gonna use another one to organize my plates. My husband said he wanted us to have like something to put on the wall to pretty much tie the kitchen in together. We don't have chairs right now. The chairs aren't ready. We already made like the orders and stuff, so when they're ready we're gonna go and pick them up. But yeah, but I bought this. This is the biggest thing that I found in Daiso, and this was 500 yen. We're gonna change the picture. because right now it says fresh bread